Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to cancel a shift on the Instawork app the right way. Whether you have a schedule conflict or an emergency, it's important to understand the process so you can avoid penalties and maintain a good standing on the platform. Start by opening the Instawork app and tapping on the My Shifts section at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a list of all your upcoming shifts. Select the one you want to cancel, then tap Cancel Shift. The app will ask you to confirm the cancellation. Make sure you go through the app directly instead of contacting the business. This helps Instawork properly process your cancellation and potentially fill your spot quickly. If you just booked the shift and realized you can't make it, you're in luck. Instawork offers a 15-minute grace period where you can cancel without consequences. But remember, if you book a shift that starts within an hour, that grace period doesn't apply. Be absolutely sure you can make it before booking last-minute shifts. Canceling within 24 hours of the shift start time is considered a late cancellation. These can result in penalties like temporary suspensions or losing access to new shifts. Instawork tracks your reliability, so consistent late cancellations can hurt your chances of booking shifts in the future. One of the most important things to avoid is a no-show. If you don't show up and don't cancel at all, you'll be marked as a no-show. This leads to immediate suspension, and you won't be paid even if you show up extremely late. No-shows have a serious impact on your Instawork reputation and can lead to permanent account deactivation. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.